is I'm going to start recording, and then Toby, you're going to turn around and pretend we're having a conversation.
Hi Janet, how are you doing?
Hello, how are you?
Look at the camera.
I'm in focus. Hey. Oh, fine. I'll go back to the beginning. All right. Good morning, guys. So today I'm trying to film a day in my life video, and hopefully it goes well. I see to the end. This is, what's the time? It's 9:08 and I'm getting ready for work. So I'm due to report to work by 10, right? My shift starts at 10 and it's 9:08. So I'm very early considering I live about 10 minutes drive from work. Just to show you what lunch is. So water, obviously, because I have to stay hydrated. And the lunch is jollof rice. I cooked this yesterday and I can't wait. And a banana because I have to stay healthy. I might have this as a snack sometime early if I start getting hungry. I need to pack my bag and get going. Alright, I would have done a what's in my bag. I'd have done a what's in my bag video, but my bag is in a mess right now, so I'm not going to do that. But this bag has been with me through thick and thin. This has been my work bag for the past 3 years. I take this every day to work, and it's not filled me. It's very sturdy. It's leather, so it's very sturdy. Just gonna put all this in my bag. Oh, this is from my last shift. My ID, which I need obviously to get in through the doors, and this name badge here. All right, so it says Janet, doctor. I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner before I head out so I can look more presentable. That's it with this eye. People tend to think that this eyeliner takes time. They're like, oh, you made up, you must have woken up really early. No, it takes me 5 minutes for everything. Alright guys, I think I'm ready to go. Just to put on my shoes and I'm out. See you later. Is it just the hospital I work at, or is it a general problem finding parking space in an NHS hospital? So if you're going to resume a shift at 9 or 10, it's a struggle to find parking, especially where I work. I just don't know why. We're done. We're going. I'm tired, but I'm happy because I'm done with work. Today's a Friday afternoon. I'm not working the weekend, so yeah, yours truly is going to be editing videos. So hopefully a YouTube video should be out this weekend or next week. But I'm happy, so happy. I feel so good. I feel filled. So if you're watching this video, it's probably going to come out a bit late, but I'm new in Boston, so if you know somewhere that is nice and I can go to kind of just relax over the weekend or whenever I'm off. Where's my car? Okay. If you have any recommendations for places to visit in Boston or around Boston, kind of let me know because I'm new here. I don't know anywhere. Let me know. Bye. Okay. Ouch. Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'll be taking you guys through my session of laser. Before I started this, I actually thought that blacks couldn't really get laser done, but now I know better. And this is my fourth session, and today I plan to carry you guys along, so stay tuned. Wondering what it takes to get lasered? Well, I'm going to show you. This is the room I had mine done in, and this is the device or the machine that gets it done. I get mine done at a therapy clinic, and I highly recommend. So guys, we're all done. I'm going to show you the bed. It looks like a tug of war went down there because I just kept on. It never gets easy. Let me tell you, it never gets easy. So this is the bed, right? And I kept turning and rolling, and we're all done. So we did the underarm and then we did the bikini. So guys, I'm at the Apple store and I'm currently taking a class on iPhone videography. So you all know that I do a lot of my videos on my iPhone, and I just thought, you know what, why not improve your skills? So here I am learning stuff on the iPhone I've had for about a year. So
to adjust the exposure, what you could do is tap and hold in an area until you see AEAF lock, and then slide your finger up or down to increase or decrease your exposure. Recommend doing this with lights as well in the background. It will give you a kind of interesting effect, which is pretty nice to see. I know you know this, you film all the time. Talk to us through what the camera movements are and how you would do them.
So the two that come to mind are panning, tilting. If we are panning, we are rotating from right to left or left to right. It's a really smooth transition. It's great to establish your shot. It's great to track sometimes as well. And then there's tilting too, which is rotating up and down. And this is also great for showing how great something is. So with your live and vlogging and let's say you're going to the Eiffel Tower, you want to you want to tilt your camera upwards to see that height of the Eiffel Tower and really exaggerate how tall that actually is. Wonderful.
So some tips on up and down with my walk. It's nice and stable. The footage itself. iPhone recognizes both Temi and yourself as points of interest. Subjects, right? I can tap on your face and bring you into focus, or tap on Temi's face and bring her into focus. But what's even better is your iPhone does this automatically whilst you're having a conversation. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start recording, and then Temi, you're going to turn around and pretend we're having a conversation.
Hi, Janet. How are you
Hello,
doing?
how are you?
The camera.
I'm in focus. Hey!
Wonderful. So it adjusts dynamically and automatically to look really, really, really great. We call this in cinema racking focus. So this is racking focus between people. And it's just a really subtle way to direct your viewer's eye to what you want them to focus on. I'm going to take one too. We talked about panning and tilting. We talked about bringing our exposure up and down.